Here's number 11 in our 20 rules for investing success. Buy mostly in the top 6 broad industry sectors. You can find this information in IBD's New Highs list. You want to look for stocks that institutions are supporting. And institutions tend to pile into sectors that are doing well. That's why you should focus your search for winners in sectors with a large number of stocks hitting new highs. History shows stocks making new highs tend to go higher. Check the New Highs list every day. Pay special attention to the top 6 broad sectors that you see listed. Here's an example from a past issue of the New Highs section. Here, you see that the retail sector had 13 stocks making new highs. That put the retail sector at the top of the list for the day. On the New Highs list, stocks that have an earnings per share rating of 95 or more are bolded. These stocks are outperforming 95% of all stocks in terms of earnings growth. When you do further research into these stocks, focus on the ones in bold and make sure they're near proper buy points. As we mentioned, stocks making new highs are the ones with big institutional support. So that moves us on to rule number 12. Select stocks with growing institutional sponsorship. It pays to invest in the same stocks that institutional investors are buying. Watch the heavy hitters, mutual funds, pension funds, banks, and other pros, and see what they're putting money into. How do you know what they're buying? One place to find that information is on Stocks on the Move. These are stocks rising or falling in unusually heavy trading volume. This kind of volume is a sign that big institutions are getting in or out of a stock. Armed with this knowledge, you'll know when you're buying with the pros. Next up, rule number 13. Look for growing profit margins.